Extraordinary journey into the rapidly evolving world of artificial intelligence. This is no ordinary tech. It's a revolution that's reshaping the future faster than we ever imagined. AI is not just the next big thing. It's the game changer of our generation, and you don't want to miss a second of it. Here, I'll take you on a deep dive into the limitless possibilities AI offers, transforming industries, revolutionizing businesses, and creating untapped opportunities. Whether it's learning how to leverage AI for making money, mastering cutting-edge tools, or staying ahead of the competition, I'm here to give you in-depth, no-nonsense reviews on the top AI products. You'll always know which tools to choose, why they matter, and how to integrate them with others for maximum impact. And that's just the beginning. I've got exclusive training and courses launching soon that will take your understanding of AI to the next level. Stay tuned and make sure to sign up for my free newsletter to be part of the fastest-growing AI community on the internet. You'll also get access to amazing giveaways, packed with tools and products that will push you and your business forward. But here's the thing, what you're seeing right now is just the tip of the iceberg. AI is evolving every single day, and those who understand its potential today will be the pioneers of tomorrow. On my channel, you're not just learning about tech. You're stepping into the future with insider knowledge that others are still trying to grasp. Imagine knowing exactly which AI tools will explode in popularity before the masses even catch on. Imagine leveraging those tools to skyrocket your business, streamline your life, and tap into a level of efficiency most people can only dream of. I'm not just here to give you surface-level reviews. You're going to get the real, raw truth about what works and what doesn't. Every video is crafted to give you actionable insights you can apply immediately. I'll show you how to unlock new income streams, automate tasks you never thought possible, and position yourself as a leader in a world that's being reshaped by AI. And trust me, I don't hold anything back. My passion is making sure you not only stay ahead but thrive in this incredible era of AI. That's why my courses and exclusive content are packed with strategies that will take you from beginner to pro in no time. If you're ready to dominate the AI space, stay tuned.